got a helicopter gonna launch. Let's go. Let's see, will you? Good save. Did you see me? Did you see me? Huh? Did you see me almost crash?
No, but I hit the gravel, dude. You hit the gravel?
I almost crashed right here. I was racing the helicopter and I was watching it and I came too hot in that corner.
Oh, shit.
Driver failed to give way to the right. Biker had no chances of avoiding this vehicle. Luckily, nobody was injured. Classic example on how target fixation can be very nasty for the bikers. Biker said that luckily he only came out with a small scratch. When you love your bike so much that you wanna take baths with it, guys, do not try this. It could be painful and very dangerous.
Fudeu, velho! Fudeu! Caralho! Fazia tempo que eu não tomava banho. Agora, ó. Molhadinho. What y'all doing?
It's a motorcycle!
You wanna rev it?
No?
No?
Wait a minute, sir. I want to do it.
You wanna do it?
Yeah.
Come on. Give it one of those. There you go.
Gotta do it.
Do it. Just a little bit. Just... There you go. You wanna do it? There you go. See you later, bud.
Please stop, please stop. That just hurt my hand.
This driver didn't even try to stop on a stop sign. Luckily, Biker was focused and avoided the worst.
Bă, ești nebună? Ești nebună la cap? Păi nu ai văzut unde ești așa fără să te asiguri, frate? Păi te-ai uitat măcar?
Nu te-ai uitat, frate. Nu te-ai uitat, ai ieșit direct. Uită-te și tu data viitoare când ești de pe stradă. Mare grijă, frate.
Check your mirror, man.
Ali, tá louco, homem? Pegando fogo ainda? Pegando fogo?
As we always said, guys, anything can happen on trail riding. So do your best and be prepared. These guys handled this situation very well.
Ai, tá tirando, né, mano?
Group of riders tried to take down solo rider. Don't be like them. These guys are trying to earn some money by entertaining people at the traffic lights.
Caralho, é um moleque de skate. Eita porra! Ai!
end of this episode. Make sure to like this video and also subscribe if you haven't yet. We read your comments, so make sure to comment down below if you want us to do more of these videos. New merch is added on our store, so feel free to check it out. See you in the next episode. Till then, ride safe.